under Tsonga people, there's another sort of, I don't know if it's a tribe or what, but people called Shangans. These are real people. These are real people, and they are South Africans. Well, if you didn't know about the history of how the Shangaan people came about, I think this video might help you.
Soshangane Nxumayo was born around the year 1780 in the region of KwaNongoma. Soshangane was a descendant of the Ndwandwe royal lineage, tracing his ancestry through the Nxumalo clan. His older cousin, Zwide Kayanga, belonged to the senior house of the Ndwandwe and ruled as a king during Soshangane's early adulthood. King Zwide was regarded as one of the most powerful and feared rulers in KwaNongoma. Before Soshangane established his own kingdom, he served as a high-ranking military commander or Induna under King Zwide Kayanga. Soshangane was among several notable leaders within the Ndwandwe sphere, alongside figures such as Zwangendaba of the Chele clan, Nxaba of the Msane clan, and Mzilikazi of the Khumalo clan, who was related to the Ndwandwe royal house through his mother, Nompethu kaZwide, who was married to Mashobana kaMangethe. Following escalating conflict between the Ndwandwe and the Mthethwa, particularly during the Battle of Umhlathuze, Soshangane broke off from Zwide's authority. He led a northward migration with Ndwandwe regiments and followers, eventually entering southern Mozambique. Based on where they migrated from, it is evident that they spoke a Nguni language or a Nguni dialect before they adopted other languages. When the Ndwandwe led by King Soshangane entered southern Mozambique, they encountered other tribes. They said, "Sidinga indawo eyokuhlala," which simply translates to, "We are looking for a place to stay." Upon settling in some regions, Soshangane established dominance over local populations, including the Tsonga, Chopi, and the Ndawo-speaking communities. He introduced the Ndwandwe Nguni military and political systems, consolidating power and laying the foundation of a new state. He subsequently established the Gaza Kingdom, naming it after his grandfather, Gasa kaMagwenya. The Gaza Kingdom extended over southern Mozambique, small parts of Zimbabwe, and regions of Mpumalanga and the Limpopo province in South Africa. Over time, the people who came to be known as the Shangaan or the Tsonga Shangaan emerged as a result of this migration and the assimilation of various local groups under King Soshangane's rule.